At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. The FAST scale, or the Functional Assessment Staging Tool, is a simple and reliable way to assess the progression of dementia, particularly in patients with Alzheimer's disease. Developed by Dr. Barry Reisberg, it categorizes functional abilities into 7 distinct stages, ranging from normal aging to severe dementia. Healthcare professionals use the FAST scale to track the decline in daily functioning, especially in hospice care and clinical settings, where it's vital to monitor how dementia affects a patient's abilities over time. Let's break down the stages of the FAST scale. Stage 1. Normal aging. At this stage, the patient shows no cognitive or functional decline. They can carry out daily activities without any issues. Stage 2. Possible mild cognitive impairment. Here, patients start experiencing minor difficulties, like word-finding problems or misplacing objects. Mild cognitive impairment. Cognitive decline becomes more noticeable. Patients may have trouble with tasks that require organization or remembering new locations, which can impact their job performance. Mild dementia. At this point, everyday activities like managing finances, preparing meals, and paying bills become challenging. This stage reflects a clear decline in a patient's ability to manage instrumental activity of daily living. Moderate dementia. Patients need help with basic decisions such as choosing appropriate clothing. Cognitive impairment becomes more severe and assistance is needed with personal care. Moderately severe dementia. This stage is divided into multiple subsets, each following further loss of function. Patients need help with dressing, bathing, and toileting, and incontinence may develop in the later parts of the stage. Severe dementia. At this stage, patients lose motor skills and functional abilities, becoming fully dependent on caregivers. Basic tasks like walking, sitting up, and even smiling become difficult. Here's how to use the FAST scale template. You can use the FAST scale template in the Carepatron app by signing up for free or clicking on the link in the description to download the PDF version. Assess the patient. Observe the patient's ability to perform daily tasks like dressing or bathing and note any impairments. This will help you determine their stage of dementia. Record the stage. Based on your observations, assign the patient to a specific stage of dementia on the FAST scale. Develop a care plan. Use the findings from the FAST scale to create or adjust the patient's care plan, addressing both their current and anticipated needs to enhance their quality of life. Reassess regularly. Continue to monitor the patient's progression using the FAST scale. Regular reassessments help keep their care plan updated as dementia advances. The FAST scale is not only useful for settling a baseline assessment when dementia is first detected, but also valuable for ongoing monitoring. If you'd like to see a sample of our FAST scale, check out the example we've provided. And to explore more templates or learn how Carepatron can simplify your practice management, visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.